Hey, long time no chat. Just imagine we're over coffee, and I'm diving right into the techie side of things about threat modeling and Microsoft Azure. You know, when you build something new, you can't just wing it. It's all about being prepared for the baddies out there looking to cause chaos. So, to kick things off, before I even touch a key or code, I should have a blueprint, right? That's where threat modeling shines for Microsoft Azure. It's about sketching out the risky bits before they actually happen. Now, Microsoft Azure is like this huge playground, and trust me, cyber creeps aren't shy here. My job is to make sure their tricks don't become victories. We start our game plan by identifying assets, the goodies we need to keep safe. This isn't your mundane stuff. We are talking sensitive data, mission-critical apps, basically, the things that really matter. We catalog these assets because we are not playing Russian roulette with our customers' trust. Now, we sit down and sketch out the threat actors, aka the bad guys. It's like watching a horror movie, but all of these threats are real and they have the tech tools. They're motivated by money, espionage, or just sheer mischief. Knowing who's in the game gives us the upper hand. We've got to scope out their tricks, the possible payloads they throw at our defenses, and the covert OP ways they might try to sneak in. Understanding the attacker's goals is crucial, my friend. Are they after personal gains, stealing secrets, or just wreaking havoc for sport? Their intentions shape our defense, and in our world of threats, knowledge is your shield and your sword. We then draw up a data flow diagram. No, not the kind you learn in art. This is something like the blueprint of secret whispers and silent footsteps. You see, everything's connected in Azure, and if one link gets tampered with, the ripple effect could be catastrophic, so we map it all out. Data flow in Azure is the backbone of our infrastructure. We got to be crystal clear about where information travels from and where it goes. Just like organizing a train with countless goods, we need to know every stop and how to handle the transfer of precious cargo. Now comes the risk assessing our chess pieces in the grand game. We've got vulnerabilities, some are known, some are just waiting for the right storm. Identifying these is like knowing your enemy's playbook. Once we list these, we can prioritize, not dealing with the tiny flaws when you've got Fort Knockers breathing down your neck. Mitigating risks, that's where we flex our brains and tech muscles. Microsoft Azure offers a plethora of defenses, and I make sure they're configured to counter the right threats, with each service working like a part of our security fortress. I'm talking about setting up firewalls like a knight's shield, data encryption like a mystical ward, and constantly updating our systems, because if you forget to brew the potion's useless. Oh, but remember that not all threat actors are alike. There's a spectrum, and we categorize them just like different players in chess. From script kiddies to state-sponsored hacker squads, each play their own game. The strategies for mitigating risks differ from a hacker with a grudge to a botnet that's decided it would rather steal than sack. But it's not just about countering the present threats, my friend. We need to think ahead, beef up our defenses before the other side even salutes. It's a game of cat and mouse that demands foresight, strategy, and some hefty planning. Regular security assessments, like drills and tests, keep us sharp on our skills and on our security walls. And hey, things break down sometimes, or maybe we miss a loophole. That's where logging and monitoring in Azure's like having eyes on every corner and every shadow. If someone tries a new hack, we'll see the attempt on the screen and our defenses will react faster than reflexes in a karate match. Whenever changes come knocking, I'm like a code-slinging security wizard. I've got to balance innovation with iron locks of security, and configuring the right Azure service for the job is like finding that perfect puzzle piece. It fits just right, doesn't mess with the image, but enhances the beauty. We wrap up with a risk assessment, a comprehensive check. We look back, see what worked and what could have been better. It's kind of a post-battle analysis where we learn from the skirmish, fortify our ramparts, and get ready for the next one. Threat modeling with Microsoft Azure is about staying one damn step ahead with a mix of brains, technology, and a keen eye on the horizon. Before you throw a switch on something, do a before, after, and review with threat modeling on the mind. It's the difference between being caught sleepwalking during a zombie takeover and being the bard leading the charge. It's strategic, it's tech, and it's downright smart. Now I've got to wrap this up. I'm channeling my inner IT guardian here, and I hope you've gained enough insights to start playing defense like a pro in the Microsoft Cloud arena. Oh, and one last thing. If you ever want to learn the ropes or just love some serious threat modeling content, visit neeraj.qzz.io and subscribe to TechLab. Stay secure, my friend.